everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to take this glass box from Dollar Tree and turn it into something really unique and beautiful. And it's going to be really fast and easy. So let's get started. So here's the bottom. I found this in the plus section for $5. So I'm going to remove the tag and these little feet on the bottom. So let's do that. Okay guys, so now that I'm done removing the label and the feet, let's go ahead and decorate it. Okay, so I have some gold mirror towels that's left over from other packs. And I always try to keep these because I know that I can use them. So what I'm going to do is just embellish my box with some of these mirror towels. Here I have a few that I've already cut. This is 5 mirror towels. I'm going to take that off and just put that right along the corner. Just like that. And then I have 4. And I'm going to put 4 right here. Next I have 3. 3 right there. And then I have 2. And I did it this way because when you count this way, you have 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2. And now I need to add 1 mirror towel. And that's what we have in the corner. Isn't it cute? Look over the fingerprints. I'll clean those up later. So I'm going to go ahead and go all the way around like this, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, again, look over the fingerprints. I'll clean those up later. But yeah, this is what we have. And we've already took this up a whole notch, okay? Now, I'll give you some ideas a little bit later on as to what to do with the center. But for now, I think I want to go ahead and trim out the sides and then maybe add a corner to it. We'll see. What I'm going to do now is just make a border with my mirror towel around the front, the side, and maybe the back if I have enough. Okay, I'm going to set that right on top of the bottom piece. Press that on. So now I'm going to flip it over and continue on this side. Okay, so this is what we have. Now, I'll finish the other sides off camera and then come back. So now you see I put a border around the top and the bottom all the way around. So now I'll flip this over. So you guys might remember these from a previous DIY where I used these to create a beautiful coaster. And I'll show you the coaster now. Isn't that gorgeous? If you guys have not seen the DIY to this coaster, then please check the description for the link, okay? Now, I'm going to use these on the bottom of my new jewelry box. And it's going to be really easy, so I'm going to take out my Gorilla Glue and put it right along the edge and the middle, around those holes. You want to put it wherever it makes contact with your box. I'm loving this already, guys. Oh my goodness. And just repeat the same steps for the next 3 sides. Final leg. Now I'll just go back and check them all to make sure that they are all in place. Okay. So now I'll allow this glue to set up for about 3 hours. Then I'll come back and clean it up and we'll decorate the top. Okay guys, so I'm back and this is what we have. Isn't it pretty? The box was really pretty before, but it did need some type of embellishments. So yeah, you could actually stop here. So right here on the front we have this little ball that's used to lift and close the lid. Normally I would take like a crystal knob or something like that and put it right in the center. But this time around we're going to do something different. So I have this mold that I picked up from Temu. And I picked up quite a few different molds from Temu last year, and I plan to use them this year in DIYs. And I thought this one was really pretty and it works really well. And ahead of time, I poured some UV resin in here and set it. So let's just go ahead and pop it out the mold. Now, depending on how it feels on this side, I might have to cure it some more with the lamp. And I think it's pretty sticky, so yeah. Here's a better look at the mold. Small areas like this, you have to open the mold and manipulate it a little bit to make sure the resin goes in. And this is what it looks like. I have a piece of black paper here. Maybe you can see it better. Because this is not a clear mold, it is a little bit sticky, so I'm going to go ahead and cure it some more with my lamp. So I'm going to allow that to cure and then come back. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove these. And back to our piece. Now, this is what I want to do with this. I want to put this directly in the center, just like that. Now, here's the dilemma. I went ahead and spray painted one gold ahead of time. So now I'm trying to figure out which one should we use. So I'd like for you guys to comment below which one you think I should have used. Here's what the gold looks like. And here's what the clear looks like. Comment below which one is your favorite. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and glue one of these on top, come back and let you guys see what it looks like. So take the time right now and guess which one I chose.